Hey guys, today we're going to install the Easy Clip car mount system. Let's go ahead and set it up in our car. Okay, so what makes this system unique? Well, this does go into the air vent, so it is designed to stay out of your line of sight. So when we install it, you'll be able to see everything while you're driving, and the phone really isn't gonna obscure your line of sight, and neither is the car mount itself. But what else makes this specific one unique? Well, it does have a unique mounting system. The first thing that I really like about it is how you access it. So when you have it installed, you push this little button right here, and these just shoot out. You put your phone in, you clasp this together, and your phone's secure. So that's definitely one thing I really like about it. Also, this system right here is very unique. If you happen to have a car that has not had the best of luck with vent mounting systems, this might actually be something you might want to try then. Let me show you how it works. So with this car mount, there's a little knob right here you can twist. And when you twist this knob, this extends further out. See how I'm twisting it? This extends further out, and you can keep extending it. Okay, so after you've extended it to the desired amount, let's go ahead and insert it. We're hoping that this little clasp on the back is gonna grab the air vent and it's gonna hold it from two different positions. So let me show you what I mean. So as I start to insert this, that little hook, it's gonna be able to grab the back. See that? I just grabbed it. And now it uses that as like a levy point to hold itself up. Once you have accomplished that, you want to tighten it. See this little lock right here? I'm tightening it. And the more you tighten it, the closer it gets to the air vent. Eventually, these 2 points will come in contact, the vent and the Easy Clip car mount, and it will actually become fairly secure. So as you can see, I've attached it. And it's staying there, it's not going anywhere. Let's try placing one of our phones into this car mount and see how well it does. All right, I got it placed in there. Just kind of close it like that. And there it is. It is now fully set up and functional. Pretty awesome. I've actually never seen one like this before, but it sure works pretty good on this vent. Now when you take it out of the box, you essentially have two pieces. You have the main base and then you have the mounting system. What you have to do is unscrew this little ring here and then put the ring onto this and push these two pieces together. It's that simple. And then tighten this. And once that's tightened, all you do is you loosen this and extend this little arm. When it's extended long enough to grip an air vent, you should be able to. And you're gripping over the top. And these bottom little feet act as the supports. Alright guys, that is it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, definitely leave a comment down below, as I will be replying to all comments. And I wanted to ask you guys, what has your experience like been with these phone holders? Have you had good experiences? Have you had bad experiences? In my particular case, depending on the vehicle I use, sometimes it varies. And other times I have found that the magnets can sometimes be a little strong. But either way, I still, most of the time, don't really have too many issues. And I definitely think if you have a phone and you have a vehicle, you need a car mount, and you need a very good one. And Andobil makes actually pretty good products, so definitely check them out, guys. They're totally worth it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Cheers!